beautiful this is. Look at that sea bass. My favorite fish ever.
Coconut rice.
Sea bass and coconut rice. Looks so good. The first one just now was so delicious. I'm sure this one gonna be so delicious. So this is the best sea bass I had. Like, sea bass is delicious, but this is next level. This is like 100 out of 10. Look at the rice. It's like coconut rice and sea bass. The second thing we had is so delicious here. Colombia food is amazing. Really good.
Okay. I think it's the first time we're having chicken since we came to Cartagena. Let's try this. It's so good. It's like tender, juicy, yummy. It almost tastes like fried, but it's not fried. It's actually so roasted. It's so good.
Thank you guys. Look what that is there with the chicken. Look at the chicken. Where's the chicken?
Cartagena is super awesome. I love it. We spent 3 days, 2 nights at the walled city, close to the walled city. It was amazing. Now we came to more of the high-rise building area right by the water, and even this is awesome. And right now we're in Morena, still celebrating me, and it's so cool. I love it. The view is incredible here too. Definitely Cartagena, 10 out of 10.
So they have one more section this side. All these are for the 40 boats. This is so disorganized. Yeah. That's what the boat look like. You excited for a small boat?
I don't know. I thought it was a bigger one.
No, it's better than like in the house. Like our house.
People over here. That's all. That's gonna hit in my head.
No, it's okay.
Fee for using cards, debit or credit card. Okay, it is from 5,000 to 10,000 extra that you have to pay for Tomás for being here today. Let me introduce the captain for today. Okay, so we have Jose here, one of the captains, and we also have Wilson in the back, and nickname is Bombo.
Okay.
So guys, the real captain is my friend in the back side. Okay, he is also a captain.
Coast Guard and Marine. Be fine. Oh look, he's sitting right over there. Hey, separate.
Oh, good.
Party about tour? Woohoo!
Then he's kind of scared of these kind of modes.
I'm good. I'm good.
In this place, we are going to have museum. Okay? So let's enjoy this beautiful beach, this beautiful place, and remember, be on time here in the boat 11:30. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah. That's how you get out of the boat. It's beautiful here, man. So
this one is called Baru Island. It's the biggest island closest to Cartagena, and it's amazing because the water is actually beautifully blue. Because where we are in Cartagena is more of a brownish tone. I don't know why, if it's like always like that or if it's because it's raining, because it is kind of rainy season right now. But look at the ocean, it's just so beautiful. So we're on a party boat tour. We booked it with Get Your Guide. It's an app, and you can come here and book with other people that's here. But I don't know, I think just using Get Your Guide is so much better, because normally I use Viator, but this one was better.
Hey guys, so please, all the people just go to the guy with the green sweater to the plane.
it was cheaper, right?
Yeah, it was. I booked it like literally yesterday.
And they don't pay in the small boat.
So look at the boat we came with. It's so tiny. Everybody was like, is that the boat? But you know what? It wasn't bad. It was actually a good ride. It was fun.
So they want you to pay how much?
So the ones outside are 75 Colombian pesos, 1,000. But on the ones that are inside, we're allowed to use for free. That is so pretty. This one?
First he's gotta get massage. Look. This place is so packed up there. I don't know what the limit for this thing, but it's so shaky. How is your drink now?
Okay, so my first drink, I got a Moscow Mule because I feel like I have a serious allergy. So I was like, okay, I need something for my throat. So I got a Moscow Mule because it has ginger beer in it. But it was like sugar and water. So I told them, and I'm like, make me something stronger and better. So they said tequila sunrise, and it's definitely amazing. Because now I don't think I'm gonna have a cold anymore or allergy issues. The vibe is super awesome. Ottawa Island, Cartagena. It's the party boat tour. It's awesome here.
The water is so beautiful. Remind me of Bahamas.
It's so beautiful here and sunny. I love it. And the water is actually blue.
Yeah, you like Bahamas, right?
Yeah. I was hungry 2 hours ago and I forgot that I'm hungry now. I literally forgot that I was hungry.
That drink really strong. So they do the massage, so it's like $22 US. Yeah. She says pretty good. She had it. Denise had it. So 80,000 of their money, $22 US. And when you come on these islands, make sure you have cash because they charge you 15% on credit cards.
Okay, seriously, get her for your massage when you come to Ottawa Island. Literally, my back was hurting so bad. She made it all amazing. Thank you, gracias. Thank you para ti. Ayudaste, pero también a manjar. Yo, this for me. Yeah? Thank you. To dance. I don't need to drink to dance, okay? I just love to dance. I came to Colombia for my 4-0 so I can shake this booty. Pump it.
For memories, for memories.
Great memories. It's my birthday, so great memories. Thank you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Mind your body.
I know you want me engine on the mechanic. Top up girl to man, you the baddest officially. On the left side I got my cup, on the right got the galley. Now trumpet, set it down conditionally. So me say, big man, you leave the thing done. Cause the right girl, welcome to the Chata Kingdom. You like me, girl, you can love me, we come. Big thing up every girl from Japan to London. Ready, big girl. You got the job on the left, then on the right. My body just a bump, man, I watch my whole night. The tongue me make you bounce, what a sight. Bounce up, Nicky bounce up, Nicky bounce up, bounce up, Nicky bounce up, Nicky bounce up, bounce up, Nicky bounce up, Nicky bounce up. That's what she a want, my girl.
Are you from here? Where are you visiting from?
Nicky bounce up, Nicky bounce up, Nicky bounce up.
Australia. Australia, oh my God. Listen, Australia somewhere on my bucket list. The birthday girl is not going with the right folk. What, they're drunk already? Why are all of them going in there?
That's how you load the boat back up with a ladder.
What do you say next to you in Spanish? Salud. Okay, so they're awesome. They have like a ladder so everybody can climb back on the boat, and they're helping. They're so nice. They literally took Rafi's slippers just now and washed it for him.
No sign on the boat.
No sand on the boat. Or no man left behind. I love that the water is so clean finally. Are you having a good time, babe?
It's kind of hot there.
What the hell did you expect? For it to be winter?
Wonder if we can turn the AC on.
We're gonna go to Alaska next.
Wonder if we can turn the AC on. Second stop. That's the boat. It's our boat. Don't get fooled on the website because that's the size of the boat. So there's a line for the food. I think I'm one of those kids also having a conversation. Oh my god, here. Grab your food and then you come over and sit and eat. This is the best passion fruit margarita I ever had. The passion fruit in Colombia is the most delicious one you can ever eat. Try it if you're here. We got rice, plantain, chicken, fish. Thank you.
And then I have Caribbean family. Like I think if I live
Love the delicious fish. So good. Looks so delicious. What I don't get, I got one lady in front of the line and she would not move. She start eating right there, and everybody else just waiting. And then these hot fish, they look like snapper. But the chicken is so delicious. They have the most delicious rice in Colombia. So this is included when you book the boat tour. So it was like 60 something a person.
What's the buffalo? It's on